M-Pesa is a mobile services by which Safaricom let people send, receive, and store money using their phones. If you start an M-Pesa shop, that means you are becoming an agent who help people with depositing money into M-Pesa. That's number one. Number two, you are helping these people withdrawing cash. Number three, you are sending money. Okay. And number four, you pay can use M-Pesa to pay bills like electricity, water, Wi-Fi, and the rest. When you get into this kind of business, this M-Pesa business, you'll always earn small commissions from the transactions, but the commissions vary. Now that's the difference, because M-Pesa commissions do vary depending on the commission that you'll get from the deposit transactions can either be higher or lower than the deposit you will than the commission you will earn from the withdrawals. So they vary. How does M-Pesa agent make money? Commission. They make money through the commissions. You can't make profit from one big payment, but you do make small many small commissions from the transactions that you do daily. And I'll give you an example for that. So number one, being if a customer deposits 1,000 Kenyan shillings, you will earn a small fee, which in turn will be paid as commission. Okay. Two, if the customer withdraws cash, you also earn commission. But with the withdrawal commissions, they are usually higher than the deposits. That's with M-Pesa, the more customers you serve daily, the more money you will make. What are the requirements to start an M-Pesa business? Number one is capital. When I talk of capital, busy areas always will need more float. Number two is your shop location. So this kind of business will only thrive in places like, or the best places to start this kind of business is near the markets, or matatu stages, or busy residential areas, or even near town centers, provided there are people. Another one is licensing. So you must be registered as an official M-Pesa agent through Safaricom or any other authorized aggregator. Get your M-Pesa shop licensed. After getting the license, but before obtaining the license, there are what you need to have your national ID. Actually, this is number 4, which is requirements. What you actually need to start is the national ID, a registered business name, a shop or a kiosk, and somehow a good reputation. You don't have to have these fraud histories and all that. So after you meet all these requirements, then when the licensing comes in. Now, before you talk about licensing, you must be registered as an official M-Pesa agent through Safaricom or an authorized aggregator. Okay. Then you are free to continue with your business. But now, here is how this business works. Just want to give you a simple flow. Number one, customers will come with cash. Number two, we'll give them M-Pesa money, or take their M-Pesa and give them cash. Okay. After following all this, the first thing we do is we'll earn commissions per transaction. Okay, that's how actually M-Pesa business usually works, and there are advantages and disadvantages of this kind of business. So the advantage is that there is a daily income. That means the cash flow is constant. Number two, we have high demand. There's high demand everywhere in Kenya. The third thing is it is very easy to learn and operate M-Pesa. And again, with M-Pesa, you are allowed to expand into a cyber cafe. You can decide to sell airtime, and that means having an airtime shop, or maybe agency banking. You've gone to this M-Pesa where you see somebody has become a KCB bank agent. If you have cash shortages, if you can't manage your float, and float management is key. Theft risks, and there's low margins per transactions, so you need a high volume, and there's high level of competition in busy areas. And maybe expand, add something else besides M-Pesa. Eka cyber cafe hivi that you can do all these internet services, printing, what zama vitu za KRA na nini. I think you still need to be, it's also part of a good investment, by the way. So strategies for beginners, what you need to know, this is the most important part, is that if you're just starting, that in a busy but not overcrowded area, you can combine M-Pesa with airtime sales or printing services, and as I've told you, this is where the cyber and airtime shops are coming in. So combine M-Pesa with airtime sales or printing services. Another one, focus on customers' trust. Okay, people come back for reliability. Reinvest the profits to increase float. That means commissions. Don't use all the commissions. Okay. Yeah. So, and with M-Pesa, there's only one simple truth, and that is it's not about a big profit per transaction, but it's about volume, trust, and location. It doesn't matter whether somebody has deposited 100,000 and that's the only transaction you made the whole day or entire week, compared to someone who is making these deposit and withdrawal transactions like 50, 100, 300, you see. But this continuous circulation every now and then, 50, 100, 300, 500, 1000, 10, 20, what? So when you check the number of transactions, that's one. This is maybe 17. So who will get more commission? So that's what I've said. M-Pesa business is not about big profits. It's not about big profits per transaction. It's about volume plus the trust combined with the location where you are carrying out your business.